guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandhara, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you're alert when I have my new videos. So as can you see, this is a real bird. Okay. Come on. Oh yeah, no, don't go away. Come on, baby, come on. Ah! Okay, come on. Ah, gotcha. So cute. I don't know if this is a girl or a boy. So hey, she's so cute. I'll name her. How about tell them in the comments down below what could we name her. So guys, I think I'll name her Isla. That's a fancy name, right? Myla. I'll name her Myla. So yeah guys, so that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you're alert when I have my new videos. And don't forget to share this video. Say bye. Mwah. Bye.